firstly like to thank the organizers for this opportunity. Because Desh is a Hindustani ragam that's been incorporated into Carnatic classical. So mostly in Carnatic classical concerts, we find Desh ragam coming in the latter part of the concert. So, so we cannot find a very traditional piece in Desh. So on the contrast, we do have a couple of Purandardasa compositions and Tamil compositions, patriotic compositions in the Ragam Desh. And further, we can also say that the contemporaries or performing musicians, we take up verses or compositions of great saints and we tune it in Ragam Desh. So we can say that Desh Rag is still growing. So it's not that it's a finite number of compositions that we find in Desh. So I just thought I could present snippets of few of the post-main piece pieces of Carnatic classical concert. So I would be starting with Purandaradasar composition in the Rag Desh. It is interesting to note that how Desh, like how it is from the Khamaj Tat in Hindustani, the equivalent of Khamaj Tat in Carnatic classical is Harikambodi, which is the 28th Melakarta. So we can also, very theoretically speaking, we can classify Desh as a Bhashanga Ragam, which means it's got two types of Nishadams or two types of Devatams. So here in Desh, if I were to illustrate, Sari ma pa ni sa ni ni, both the Nis are present. So we say that it is a Bhashanga Ragam with Re ma ga re ma pa ni da ba ba pa ni ni sa ga re sa ni sa ni da ba ba pa ni ni sa ni da ba ma ga re ma pa ni sa ga re sa ni da ba ma pa ni da ba ma ga re ma ga da re ma pa ni re ma ga re ma pa ni da ba ma pa ni da ba ma pa ni sa ni. So we can alternate both the Nis depending on the usage. Next, for a difference, I'd like to perform a small patriotic song. Tayin mani kodi parir, yengal